Hello everybody and welcome to a GFuel watermelon flavor review. I just got this in the mail along with the Naruto Sage Mode flavor that I also reviewed on the channel. I will link to it in the description. I decided to try this flavor because, well, I like watermelon. So first things first, the smell. Oh, that smells really good. The powder tastes good. We'll get ourselves a full scoop here. Pour it into the cup. Put the lid back on. I need to move my mouse pad before doing these videos. I also need to get a new tripod. Man, that's good. That is very good watermelon. It's got a sweet taste. That's definitely a good one. Highly recommend. I'll probably get more of this. See you in the next one.